A very, very good evening and good afternoon, everybody. And I would like to welcome you to this interview today. And today I have with me Dr. Sejal Kotwani. She is ranked 6th in the AIMS PG June 2020, which is a great performance and an awesome rank in a topmost institute in the country. And I'm really, really proud of her achievement. She has been a 3-year DAM student. She has joined us in her foundation course, then followed it up with a regular course. And Sejal, tell us now, how are you feeling today?
So feeling at the top of world. Sir, it's very nice experience. And sir, I was not believing initially that it is my roll number only. Sir, I was cross checking it. I crossed it, checked it 5 times, 6 times. Then I realized no, it is my roll number only.
अब अभी कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया कि अपना ही रोल नंबर था चेक कर लिए.
Yes, sir.
Awesome, right? And Sejal, tell us, about your journey. Like, where did you do your MBBS from? Where did you join DAMS? Tell us about.
Sir, I did my MBBS from Mahatma Gandhi Memorial Medical College, Indore. Sir, I attended the classes at the DAMS Center of Indore only. And sir, I regularly attended each and every class. I used to go to the class at early, 1.5 hours early, and used to sit at the front bench always and make notes mindfully.
And I remember, you were always on the first bench. I think you have
Yes,
attended my class at least twice, if not thrice.
sir, twice.
Twice, yes. So,
Yes, sir.
how was your experience with DAMS classes?
Sir, it was very nice experience. Sir, especially sir, your class and sir, many faculties. Sir, I could not name any 1, 2, 3. Sir, all faculties were very awesome.
And do you remember any specific incident from the classes or any specific day where you were really happy with the class, or when you came to the class and when you came back you were excited about it?
Sir, when I attended Dr. Arvind sir class, sir, I was like, I want to be like him. Sir, he was my inspiration from the very beginning since I joined the DAMS. Although I attended his only one class of GIT, which he used to take at the DAMS center, rest of the classes of medicine were taught by different faculties that were also awesome. But I was very much inspired by him. Still, he is my motivation.
Yeah. And I think now you want to take medicine. So probably you wanted to take medicine before, and or maybe you were inspired by Arvind, or both the things put together. And
So
did you
both the
also
things.
yeah, did you also utilize the DAMS resources that we have, like question bank, the test series, the class tests? Tell us
Yes, sir.
about.
I used to solve the grant test from my pre-final year itself only. Sir, at that time, I don't used to give grant test so wholeheartedly, but I just used to see the videos sometime. I thought that it is in my package, so I should utilize it. Then in final year, at the time of internship, I utilized it wholeheartedly.
And were what was the kind of ranks that you were getting in your grant test initially and in the beginning of the internship, and towards the end, what were the kind of ranks you were getting in the grant test?
Sir, initially in the pre-final year when I don't used to give tests. It was just like for videos I used to watch. So then in internship I gave all the tests seriously. Sir, I, when I started to give the test, in the first test I got something 60, 70 rank. So then it improved gradually.
So
Sir,
do you think
to top 10 or
do you think it's a good idea to chart your graph and see that how I'm performing in the grand test in the beginning and towards the end? Like if I ask you what was your last NEET PG rank?
Sir, my NEET PG rank was 408. Sir, it was not so good. Sir, I was depressed after that ranks, and that depression only motivated me to continue for AIMS only. Sir, if I could have got good rank in NEET, then I could not have performed here like this.
So you must be getting your branch of your choice through NEET also, but still you were
Ye-
not happy with it, and you decided to give the AIMS exam, and you wanted to correct something. Tell me more about it.
So when I saw the result, sir, when I gave the NEET, and I was sure that I missed the paper, so it was too lengthy for me, and questions were long, sir. I was not used to of that paper, so I missed 50 questions around, and I got 230 correct, and I attended only 250. Matlab 20 wrong were there and 230 were correct. So then I thought that my accuracy is good, so I can continue with this accuracy to the aims. I can try for aims. So it was so the journey from the result of NEET PG to the aims has been very, there has been very ups and downs from then only. So the counseling, there were many, what I can say, many drawbacks in the road. It was like I was stuck in counseling. Sometimes counseling dates were joining is to be in this date on this date. I was very depressed by all these things. I don't want to leave that seat also of NEET, and I was not sure of aims also that I will get here or not. That rank was also not too bad, and but I was not satisfied with that. So, so I needed motivation for continuing, and that motivation were my parents only. So they believed in me that you can do, so you should do. So I
And
achieved
to
it.
top it all, this time we had that Corona pandemic also. So I think it
Yes,
must have been very difficult time, वो नीट से उठाओ कि ये कोरोना को देखो कि पढ़ो. So how did you manage this? मतलब पेरेंट्स ने सपोर्ट किया लेकिन अपने आप को क्या बताती थी उस समय?
so one thing was that, sir, I was not satisfied with my NEET rank at all. So from that day only, I was like, I did so much hard work not for this rank. Sir, I want to go to any good college of Delhi. Sir, I always dreamt of that. So when it was not fulfilled, I was like, I can drop a year also for good college, or which was my dream.
अब तो एम्स
Then
ही
I
जाएंगे, अब गुड कॉलेज क्या जाएंगे, अब तो एम्स में जाएंगे दिल्ली में, है ना? So
yes.
so Sejal, tell us more about like what value do you think classroom coaching and making notes with your own hand has in achieving great ranks? Tell us more about it.
So making notes in the class is important. So because I also watched some videos also. But I found that watching the video, it was some tiresome also, and not that fruitful. So classes were concise and notes were enough.
And were you also able to kind of revise multiple times? If I may ask you, how many times were you able to revise before the NEET exam, and how many revisions you added before the AIMS mid-year exam?
So before NEET, I revised 2 times. Then so for aims, I revised 2-3 times. So no particular schedule. I could revise 2 times so nicely, but the third time was not that complete. Selective revision was there. Third revision.
And Sejal, I also want to know from you, you have given the NEET PG exam also, you have given the AIMS exam also. And
Yes,
can
sir.
you tell us about this AIMS exam? They said that they will have assertion reasoning, multiple true false. And before 3 days before the exam, they changed it into single best response. How was the
Yes, sir.
paper actually? There were no video questions, but how was the paper actually? And how many did you attempt? What was your strategy during the exam?
So frankly speaking, sir, AIMS paper was easier than NEET paper. Uh, so this I realized, on the day of exam only. Sir, I prepared for the worst that we will be getting multiple correct options and match the column true, the false. So it was very easy paper. It's like one-liners were also there, and conceptual questions were also there. So, but it was easier than NEET. Sir, I can admit that.
Yeah.
And
And
sir, I attempted.
how many did you attempt?
So 195.
195. Very good. And
Yes.
did you face any time challenge during the exam, or were you able to manage the time easily in the exam?
So since I left my paper in NEET, from that day only I was determined that now I will give every grand test considering 1 hour less time. So I was able to manage the time. I did 40 minutes ahead my paper.
Do you think that giving grant test helps us to plan and manage time management better? Because I think time management is one of the critical things that you have improved from NEET to this AIMS exam.
Sir, definitely time management play a role. Sir, initially when I used to give the grind test, I don't focus on time so much. I thought I could finish in time. So, but finishing in time is not enough in grand test. If you can finish in grand test 1 hour earlier, then only you will be able to uh, uh, finish the test on time on real exam day. So
Any
that
particular
was my strategy from the day after NEET only, that now I will not make this mistake again.
after NEET, you were totally determined that now I will make it happen and I will do it in style, and you have done it in style by getting rank 6 in this year's AIMS PG exam, which is a grand comeback that you have made. So Sejal, I also want to know from you that any particular teachers you remember from your entire journey, any names that because a lot of teachers are listening to you today in this video, and they are all looking forward to hear from you, your and your journey.
Sir, I would like to mention Saurabh Sharma, sir, for ophthalmology. Sir, he taught very well and his notes were very concise. And sir, he not only taught me, sir, I also used to send him message on Messenger only. He used to solve my personal queries also. Sir, I was bit hesitant to post my doubts on group. So I used to post him personally also. And sir, Sachin Verma, he came to Indore Center after NEET. Sir, I talked to him. I told that I left my paper. I am not satisfied with that. Sir, I was about to give NIMHANS. Sir, I was targeting NIMHANS only. Sir, then for it date also, it get postponed. Sir, then in midway AIMS come, then I tried for it. Sachin sir gave me motivation to try for NIMHANS also.
And were you happy that even after the NEET result, we conducted that career counseling and we had people visiting centers to talk to students?
Yes, sir. I came to Delhi also after NEET, sir. I talked to you also. I don't think you remember me. Now you are.
No, I do. I do remember you. And I remember you from the first seat in the Indore Center also. You were always in the front benches, I'm sure.
Yes, sir.
So, Sejal, also, please tell us more about, this entire journey. There must have been ups and downs in the last 5, 6 months. You have been telling us all that so far. But, how did you manage to stay positive? Like, your parents supported you. You had your brother, or a younger brother supporting you. We saw a glimpse of him in the video earlier, so we'll get him online. So, is he around, or can we have him in the frame to say hi?
Yes, sir, he is around. Come, Ronit.
Acha,
Say
beta.
hi.
So we saw him in a glimpse initially.
Yes, sir. Sir, he is my brother in 10th class.
कौन सी क्लास में बेटा आगे क्या करना है डॉक्टर बनना है हाँ बच्चे डॉक्टर बनना है आगे
बोलते नहीं
नो सर
क्या बनना है आगे क्या बनना चाहता है 10th क्लास में आ गया अब तो सोचने का टाइम आ गया
यस सर फार्मेसी
अभी सोचे अभी आगे और सोचने का टाइम है अभी अभी देखेगा पता है दीदी ने क्या किया है शी हैज गॉटन अ 6th रैंक इन एम्स ये इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूट है और सबसे बड़ा मेडिकल कॉलेज है और उसमें टॉप 10 में लाना बहुत बड़ी बात है
यस सर
है ना तेरी भी मेहनत है इसके अंदर मुझे पता है कि तूने भी उतनी मेहनत की है कांग्रेचुलेशंस
थैंक यू सर
चल दे I think he must be helping you with the motivation in your in between time also.
Sir, this 5 to 6 months were very tough for me. Sir, each and every day was like I was not able to sit for long hours. Sir, sir I used to told to my mummy that you should sit in my front, then only I will study. I made everyone in my home like you should sit with me, sit with me. I was not able to sit alone and study for long. So they were all my pillars for this 5 to 6 months.
Any particular, do you remember those DVT extra edge courses that we have, AIMS capsule, or anything that you remember that that helped you in building up the final revision?
Yes, sir. I have made the notes of AIMS capsule. So I revised it in last 2 to 3 days. And sir, DVT also I have made made notes and one copy for it. Sir, I could not revise it this time. For NEET, I revised it. So DAMS capsule I revised one day before the AIMS.
Were you happy with the quality of teaching that you got from DAMS in the last 3 years, including the classes, the tests, grand tests, video discussions, a exclusive club? Were you happy with the DAMS in the entire quality that you got at Indore Center?
Everything when combined, sir, it gives a great material.
And how was your experience otherwise? Even as a lot of teachers have helped you personally as well in motivation and doubt solving. So what I feel is that when we have students like you, who are eager to learn, that pumps the teachers also up. Because I remember as a teacher when I was teaching in Indore Center, it was, I would always look at the front benchers and children like you who would be excited to learn, and that will give us also motivation to teach more and more. And I think same holds true for, I think, Dr. Sachin, Dr. Saurabh. I think they all, like, we all, if the student are eager to learn, it also makes the teacher, eager to teach. And
Yes,
Sejal, tell us, did you give the PGI exam also?
yes sir, I did give.
Can you tell us something about this year's PGI exam and compare the AIMS and PGI exam for future aspirants?
Uh, sir, sir, AIMS exam, I could say, sir, it was a bit easier than PGI, sir, because I have never given any test for PGI, the grant test type. So it was first paper for me in the exam hall only. Sir, but sir, paper was not that tough, which I have heard that the PGI level is one level above and two level. Matlab, it's not like NEET. So questions were matlab, easy, but thing was that 2-3 options were correct for that for each option, matlab, each question. The only difference was that. So otherwise, image-based questions were also there in Sir PGI this time, and Sir molecular biology was asked editly.
Do you feel DAM's notes were sufficient for this year's central exams as well?
Yes, sir. So,
And,
sir, I could say everything in combined was sufficient.
and I also feel that this time in the PGI exam, especially, they did not repeat much questions. And it was more about the classic concepts that are usually taught in the class. So I think
Yes,
that
sir.
also made a difference. I'm hoping that you will give us a great rank in the PGI exam also. So that's why I'm asking this question right now.
Sir,
It's,
I predict my PGI sir, because it was first test for me on the exam day only. I had never prepared for that exam. So it was in the way, so I gave it.
yeah. And you've already told us that you're wanting to do medicine in AIMS, Delhi,
Yes,
and you had already denied joining through NEET.
yes.
So you had this confidence that you would get into a central institute, and I think that kind of zid is required to get into the top 10 ranks. We have seen that people who get into this rank, they had choices, but they did not want to make any compromise. So I think that is the reason that she is sitting here giving an interview, telling the world about her story. Sejal, we will also like to meet your parents also if they are around.
Yes, sir. My father is here.
Yeah, we can say hello to him.
यस
सर नमस्ते.
नमस्ते सर.
सर बच्ची ने पूरा इंडिया में 6th रैंक लेके आ गई सर एम्स के अंदर. बहुत बढ़िया. ये मतलब पूरे इंडिया का सपना है जो इसने कर दिया.
जी हाँ
सर बहुत ही हमें बहुत ही खुशी है. पूरा डैम्स की पूरी फैमिली, पूरे टीचर सब बहुत प्राउड है. और अभी अपनी मर्जी की ब्रांच एम्स में ले सकती है. इसने पहले जो इसको नीट से मिल रहा था वो छोड़ दिया था. उस समय पे आपको भी लगा होगा ठीक कर रही है कि नहीं कर रही है, लेकिन अब ये एम्स में ज्वाइन करेगी.
जी हाँ.
Sir, my father was not allowing me to leave that seat, sir. I was stuck with that seat. I don't want that seat from initial only. Sir, he was telling, oh, don't leave it, keep it aside, and you should go on studying. So then finally, now I will leave that seat.
अब पहुंच गई ना अपनी जगह पे. बच्चे थोड़ा सा तो रिस्क होता ही है ना, लेकिन अब वो तो जीत गई है और अब कोई रिग्रेट नहीं है जिंदगी में. अब आगे बढ़ेंगे और आगे डीएम तक सोचेंगे.
Yes,
जी हाँ
sir.
जी हाँ.
अब रुकेंगे नहीं. अब पढ़ाई को टॉप मोस्ट पे ले जाते हुए आगे बढ़ेंगे बेटा, है ना.
जी हाँ.
Yes, sir.
और एक फटाफट से एक मैसेज दे दे जो बच्चे नवंबर एम्स लिखेंगे उनके लिए. एनीबडी दैट हु इज अपेयरिंग फॉर नवंबर एम्स, कैन यू गिव सम स्ट्रेटजी फॉर देम कि व्हाट टॉपिक्स दे शुड डेफिनेटली रीड फॉर एम्स एग्जाम.
So firstly, sir, I would like to mention a person here. Sir, when I could not, my NEET went bad and I got the result. Sir, on the day of NEET only, sir, I was not satisfied. So my next target was NIMHANS. Sir, so I was just searching for NIMHANS persons, who are there. I should contact them, how they approached it. So I found one dance student only, sir, Dr. Kayul. So he is doing MPH neurosurgery from NIMHANS. Sir, he guided me, fully he guided me through for my 6 months, for the 6 months. Sir, he was motivating me he was a strong motivation for me.
उसका भी इंटरव्यू है इसी चैनल के ऊपर. आई थिंक we interviewed him after he got that NIMHANS rank in the past. उसका उससे मेरी बात भी हुई थी, आई थिंक, before he joined neurosurgery. कि न्यूरोसर्जरी लूं कि रेडियोलॉजी लूं, ऐसा सब बहुत डाउट्स है उसके बारे में.
Yes, sir.
Great,
Sir,
great.
from that interview only I found, I searched for him. Sir, I thought that I am preparing for NIMHANS, so I should approach the person who has cracked the exam. Sir, then he guided me fully. For this 6 months, he was motivating me for that you should target if you are not satisfied with the given need. So, that motivation is needed, sir. I would like to tell all the audience whosoever is listening to the interview, don't don't get satisfied with less if you less thing. If you are dreamt big, then you can achieve it if you have a trust on yourself, sir. Everything is just about trust, sir. That trust is needed.
And I think, the key here is that if you are not satisfied with what you are getting, you should take your chances so that you don't get regrets. She took her chances. She could have gone for, some state college and joined medicine and forget about AIMS, but she continued. She was not satisfied with the NEET rank, and she finally made it happen. So, Sejal, I want to know any particular topics that, because you have given this AIMS exam. I want to tell the listeners that this time in the AIMS, we had only single best response type questions. But in future, you will have other type also, because this was the Corona time and the pandemic time, and the exam was conducted in very difficult times. But, still, Sejal, any particular topics that you felt are like, ye to AIMS mein aate hi aate hain. Any topics?
Sir, I was preparing for the AIMS topics only, which DAMS has, while giving the notes, has told that these are important. Sir, but this paper pattern was slightly different from what usually comes in AIMS. So, like in this paper in microbiology, also leptospira was very famous. Krupp typhus was very famous. 2 to 3 questions were there from this topics only. Sir, but I could say, sir, I can say that, but next paper will not be that easy, sir. That usual pattern which DAMS people tell while make us to write notes that these are important, that will be asked only, like critical care and all these topics.
And this time, I think the exam was in a very difficult scenario, because they postponed the exam, then they conducted it again, and it was so, and they cancelled the assertion reasoning and multiple true false type questions. So that kind of change, and they did not have any video questions also this time. So this is very important for future aspirants to know. And finally, tell us, how did you keep yourself motivated, and tell a motivating line to future aspirants also.
Sir, today only, sir, I changed my status. Sir, once I saw the Tushar Mehra sir quote, देर लगेगी मगर सही होगा, जो तुम चाहोगे वही होगा. Sir, I changed my status today only. I was waiting for these lines to become true. Sir, today it came true.
वो आपने सच में सच कर दिखाया. So I'll take some final words from Papa also. Sir, any final words बेटी के लिए?
कुछ भी बोल दो आखिरी में.
हाँ सर.
कुछ भी मोटिवेटिंग बोल दो अपने आप को.
मैं अपने आप पे भरोसा रखना चाहिए और हिम्मत कभी नहीं हारना चाहिए. चाहे भले इनकी 408 रैंक आई थी, तो भी हिम्मत दिलाई थी, और अभी भी इनको पढ़ने में हमने पूरी रात दिन एक करके इनको पढ़ाया, टाइम पे उठाया पढ़ने के लिए. इनको जो भी चाहिए था पूरा हमने अवेलेबल करवाया, और इनको पढ़ने में मदद जितनी बन सके उतनी पूरी करी. वो इनने उसको सच करके दिखाया,
और आज इसने सर वो कर दिया जो उस चाहती थी, और अब जो ये ब्रांच चाहती है वो ये एम्स में ले पाएगी. सो इससे बढ़िया और क्या हो सकता है.
वो आज इसका सपना भी था, वो आज पूरा हुआ, और इसने पूरी मेहनत करी ईमानदारी से. जो हमने पढ़ाया लिखाया, जो भी खर्चा करा, उसको सफल बनाया. मतलब निराश नहीं करा, मतलब हमको उत्साह बढ़ाया कि आगे भी भाई बहन को पढ़ाओ, तो कम से कम वो भी इसको देख के थोड़ा आगे बढ़े.
हमने मिले उससे भी, हम उससे भी मिले, मुझे लगता है वो भी आगे अच्छा नाम रोशन करेगा.
Sir, he don't want to pursue medicine. He see me that you have to study a lot. I can't study this much.
वो छोटे भाई ऐसे ही बोलते हैं, जब अपनी बारी आएगी फिर बदल जाएगा. And Sejal, it has been a pleasure talking to you. Sejal has been a DAMS student in DAMS Indore for 3 years. She joined us in foundation course, then a regular course in internship. And we are very, very proud that she could convert this entire effort into a AIMS rank 6 in June 2020, which is an awesome rank. The entire DAMS family is proud of you, and we would wish you all the best. and I'm sure we will conduct one more interview with you when you get into DM also. And we would love to invite you to Delhi to meet you after this Corona pandemic scare is over. So we will definitely have you in DAM studio, meet you personally, and when you will be coming to Delhi to join AIMS, do meet us. It will be a pleasure to talk to you personally and hear your journey. I wish you all the best. RTS, congratulations. And finally, we will make the DAMS V sign on the Zoom call. And I wish you all the best. God bless you.
So when last time I came to DEMSNA, I was so much upset. Like, I want to give the interview. I was seeing people giving interview, but I was not. They asked me to give the interview. It was not that bad rank, but I was not satisfied that I don't want to give interview with this much bad rank. So I was like, now I will give the interview.
इंटरव्यू देंगे तो बिल्कुल टॉप पे लाके ही देना है. बिल्कुल मजा आ गया सेजल से बात करके. It's such a pleasure to hear these young children who have the confidence to make it happen, confidence to take risks when it matters. And what I remember about her as a teacher is that she was always in the front seats, always excited to learn. And the key here is that she took her chances, and she was always seeking mentors. She would talk to me or Sachin sir, and she even talked to Keyur, found him on the DAMS YouTube channel, and she wanted to win. And the key is this desire to win. वो जिसमें वो जज्बा है जीतने का, तो वो करके दिखाएगी. और उसने कन्वर्ट कर दिया 400 रैंक पे नीट में, कुछ भी नहीं उठाया, converted to rank 6 in AIMS. Great grand performance. Sejal, the entire DAMS team is proud of you. So heartiest congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for everything, sir, that DAMS provided.
God bless you, beta. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.